In this video, I'll show you how to request control of someone else's screen in a Microsoft Teams meeting. This feature is useful when you need to help a teammate, troubleshoot an issue, or collaborate directly on a shared document or application. To get started, join a Microsoft Teams meeting where someone else is sharing their screen. Once the screen is being shared, move your mouse over the shared content to see the meeting toolbar. On the toolbar, click the Request Control button. A pop-up will appear letting the presenter know that you want control of their screen. The presenter will receive a notification and can choose to approve or deny your request. Once they approve, you'll be able to interact with their screen as if it were your own. If you're done controlling the screen or the presenter wants to take back control, they can click Take Back Control and your access will end immediately. And that's how you request control in Microsoft Teams. It's a simple way to collaborate and work together in real time during meetings. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.